Hello, my name is Mrs. Slater from Hull Music Service, and in this video I'm going to give you a few tips for getting a good sound out of your flute head joint. So when we first start to learn the flute, it's really important that we can get a really good sound just using the head joint, because this is where we make all the sound and it gets us used to having the right embouchure, which is the shape of your lips, and also starting to control our breathing. So on here you have a lip plate, and the big side of that lip plate is the bit that fits onto your chin, and it needs to fit really snugly onto your chin, just where your chin dips in. So it should fit right underneath your lip, and you should just be able to feel your bottom lip just covering the edge of that hole, like that. And then you need to blow across the flute to make your noise. Now you can see that I'm blowing across, but I'm also pulling my lips back a little bit like this, so that I just get one small bit of air going straight across the hole there. So I'm not blowing down into it like that, I'm blowing straight across. And what's really tricky on the flute is you've got to make sure that even though you're blowing across, that as much air as possible is going right inside that hole. So sometimes if you are not quite lined up, you'll be blowing and all the air will miss it, and it might go the other way. And also, if you've covered too much of that hole up, so if you've turned it in, you might get that kind of sound. Or if it's too far out, you're not going to get much noise again. So it's really important to take your time and really think about where the flute is positioned on your chin. And you need to push it quite tightly into your chin. So if you push your chin forward, it should feel like it's stuck onto that section of the lip plate, like this.